BMW R18 Kingston Custom. The BMW R18 has been arranged with customization and keenness, taking after the way impacted by the R9. The display area bike is something of a moving recognition, with visual, and specific, focal points reverberating the R5 of the last part of the 1930s. It also remembers a middle for present-day however nitty-gritty tech, for example, the 1802cc, 110 pushrod engine. Force comes from BMW's vaunted enormous Boxer, which is the premier groundbreaking level twin engine it has ever fabricated. It's a 1.8-liter unit that makes 91 drive and 116 pound-feet of force in its fundamental plan. It's air-cooled, and a couple of its external parts are shaped to resonate the organization's previous twins. Most forefront cruisers are fitted with a chain or a belt, however the enormous Boxer turns the race wheel by methods for an external drive shaft. PAL-V Liberty. World's first flying car production model. Inspired by nature, engineered by man and evolved over time, the PAL-V Liberty is a groundbreaking product that inaugurates the age of the flying car. The PAL-V Liberty is a marriage between safety and fun, designed to satisfy the most demanding customers. Thanks to the Dutch, most skillful engineers have put blood, sweat and tears into creating a trailblazing flying car out of a mere fantasy, all in conformity with the highest safety standards. Canoe. Multi-purpose delivery vehicle. Purposefully designed to offer maximum productivity, efficiency, class-leading cargo volume and cost savings. The MPDV sports a moderate plan interior and out. The outside highlights smooth, level surfaces, whereas the inside gives a cutting edge and exceptionally EV-like see. There's a single situate up front for the driver, and by the looks of it, perceivability is awesome from this cockpit. The MPDV could be a beautiful able machine. It's not that huge by conveyance vehicle benchmarks because it as it were measures 4,389 mm by 1,951 mm by 1,890 mm with a 2,865 mm wheelbase, but its raised cabin brags over 5,600 liters of cargo space, also 850 liters from the front cabin. Its most extreme payload capacity ranges from 699 kg to 898 kg, depending on the spec'd battery. Aptera. The new, evolved, efficient, electric. Aptera is the first electric/solar vehicle that requires no charging for most daily use. Thanks to the power of the sun, the dream of driving for more miles with less carbon, materials, and energy from the grid is now a reality. Drawing less than 100 watt-hours per mile for everyday driving, Aptera can go 5 times farther than other electric vehicles with the same sized solar system. Aptera features a level of passenger safety beyond just about any other vehicle on the road today, with a Formula One-inspired safety cell, advanced airbag technology, and energy-absorbing composite material made of steel and aluminum. SSC Tuatara. The SSC Tuatara is a sports car designed, developed and manufactured by American automobile manufacturer SSC North America, formerly Shelby Supercars Incorporated. The car is the successor to the Ultimate Aero and is the result of a design collaboration between Jason Castriota and SSC. Initially powered by a 6.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the capacity of the engine was later reduced to 5.9 liters in order to allow the engine to have a higher redline of 8,800 revolutions per minute. SSC had stated that the power output would be rated at 1,350 horsepower, 1,007 kilowatts, 1,369 PS, or 1,750 horsepower, 1,305 kilowatts, 1,774 PS, on E85 fuel, along with a 282.2 miles per hour top speed. Sea bubbles. Designed to operate in a no-wake zone, the sea bubbles rises after a few meters and reaches a speed of 11 to 15 kilometers per hour, 6 to 8 knots, on 4 skids. This reduces water drag by 40% and increases efficiency, allowing speeds of up to a potential 46 kilometers per hour, 25 knots. The sea bubble is powered by 2 electrically driven propellers attached to the rear skids. The electric power is replenished at the landing stage by using a mixture of solar panels and turbines to charge the batteries. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is a proposed German vertical takeoff and landing electrically powered personal air vehicle designed by Lilium GmbH. The Lilium Jet is planned as a 5-seater aircraft. It is powered by 36 electric motors, with 6 of them on each of the 2 front wings and 12 on each rear wing. In addition to the fixed part of the wings, the propellers and engines are each installed in 12 tiltable wing parts. These are referred to by the manufacturer as flaps, in analogy to landing flaps. The drive-carrying flaps are pivoted downwards for vertical launch. At the transition to the horizontal position, forward thrust is generated. This is energetically much more economical than the lift by pure rotorcraft. The 5-seat Lilium Jet targets a range of 300 kilometers, 160 nautical miles. Its 36 electric ducted fans are powered by a 1 megawatt, 1,300 horsepower, lithium-ion battery. Less than 200 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, is required to cruise. Lexus Sports Yacht. Discover the new high-performance 42-foot concept sport yacht powered by 2 5.0-liter Lexus V8 engines. This stunning seafaring Lexus is the perfect addition to the Lexus lifestyle. The design of the Lexus Sport Yacht concept has the upper deck and outer hull seamlessly bonded around the inner structure, each piece a single massive hand-laid composite of 2-part polyurethane epoxy resin reinforced with hand-laid woven carbon fiber cloth, a composite material called carbon fiber reinforced plastic, or CFRP. CFRP is the technology used in the structure of race cars and supercars like the Lexus LFA, high-performance aircrafts, competition skis and bicycles, and world-class racing sailboats. Hyperion XP1. The Hyperion XP1 is a hydrogen-powered one-off sports car manufactured by California-based automobile manufacturer Hyperion Motors. The XP1 comes with a 3-speed automatic transmission, and huge amounts of power are possible through ultracapacitors, which help increase the power output of the fuel cell to the electric motors. The body includes active aerodynamic elements that double as solar panels to get more energy. The double-barrel exhaust stacks allow deionized water vapor to come out as the only exhaust. The interior of the XP1 features a 98-inch display that can be controlled by hand gestures, along with a 134-inch glass canopy. The V-wing doors are inspired by the wing victory of Samothrace, according to Hyperion Motors.